will be cooking sinigang na bangus. Here are the ingredients. 2 sliced tomatoes, 1 piece onion, 1 piece labanos sliced, kangkong leaves, some salt, some sampalok mix, and fish. And here are the things we need to use. The things we need to use are a pot and a ladle. First, we need to wash our hands before cooking. We put 3 cups of water in the pot, and then we add the tomatoes and the onion. And let it boil for several minutes. Once it's boiling, we add the labanos and cook for several minutes. Then we add the bangus. Then pour the sampalok mix and stir. And cover and cook for another 2 minutes. We put kangkong leaves. We put a lot of kangkong leaves because we love kangkong leaves. Now we put a little bit of salt to taste. I think it's ready. Turn off the fire. And it's eating time! And this is my sinigang na bangus.